everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly rare and legendary, the 2027 Pontiac Mera. For those who know their automotive history, the Mera is one of the most fascinating rebirths in Pontiac's legacy. Originally introduced in the late 1980s as a rebodied Fiero with Ferrari-inspired styling, the Mera was a bold experiment. Fast forward to 2027, and it's back, reimagined, redesigned, and completely reborn for the modern era. This car isn't just a revival, it's a statement. Let's get into every detail you need to know about the all-new 2027 Pontiac Mera, starting with the exterior. The 2027 Mera is an absolute show. Pontiac has preserved the spirit of the original Mera while giving it a futuristic design overhaul. The body is low, wide, and aggressively sculpted with a mix of retro Ferrari cues and modern aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia features sleek, sharp LED headlights that stretch into the fenders, along with a large blacked-out grille that screams performance. The hood has subtle yet purposeful vents to aid cooling, and the sharp body lines flow seamlessly toward the rear, giving the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The side profile is muscular yet sleek, featuring deep scoops. Behind the doors, paying homage to its mid-engine roots, it sits low on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels. Wrapped in performance, Michelin Pilot Sport for S tires, enhancing both stance and grip. At the rear, the 2027 Mera keeps things bold and exotic. The taillights are slim LED strips housed in a carbon fiber panel, and just below that, you'll find an aggressive rear diffuser with quad exhaust tips finished in black chrome. A deployable rear wing adds functional downforce when needed, especially at higher speeds. Everything about the exterior design tells you this car was built to turn heads, and it does so effortlessly. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with a perfect fusion of luxury and race-ready design. The 2027 Mera's interior is driver-focused with a minimalist but premium layout. You get dual digital displays, a customizable 12-inch driver cluster, and a 10.1-inch central infotainment screen that runs GM's latest UI with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The materials used throughout the cabin are soft-touch Alcantara covers the dash and door panels, while the seats are wrapped in perforated Nappa leather with red contrast stitching and Mera badging embroidered on the headrests. The seats themselves are sporty yet comfortable, with memory settings and heating-cooling functions. A flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped steering wheel gives it a true sports car feel, and you'll also find aluminum paddle shifters, carbon fiber trim accents, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized in multiple colors. Storage space is limited, as expected in a mid-engine sports coupe, but you do get a decent-sized frunk and a rear cargo shelf that's practical enough for a weekend getaway. In terms of technology, the Mera packs a lot of features. You get a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system, a head-up display, wireless phone charging, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. There's even a launch control system built into the performance settings menu, which is something you'll definitely want to try out. Now let's talk about what really matters, performance. The 2027 Pontiac Mera is powered by a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine mounted midship, producing an impressive 490 horsepower and 465 pounds-ft of torque. That power is sent to the rear wheels via an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 3.4 seconds, and the top speed is electronically limited to 190 miles per hour. Pontiac has also worked hard on chassis dynamics. The car sits on a lightweight aluminum frame with adaptive magnetic ride control, giving you sharp, responsive handling without sacrificing ride comfort. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or a smooth highway, the Mera feels planted, confident, and precise. Braking performance is equally impressive thanks to Brembo 6-piston calipers in the front and 4-piston in the rear, clamping down on cross-drilled carbon ceramic rotors. The steering is electrically assisted but finely tuned to give you excellent road feedback. In terms of fuel economy, the Mera isn't bad for a performance car. You're looking at about 19 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, thanks to cylinder deactivation and start-stop tech. But let's be honest, if you're buying a Mera, efficiency probably isn't your biggest concern. Now to the price. The base 2027 Pontiac Mera starts at around $86,000, but with all the performance and tech packages added, you're looking closer to $98,000. Compared to European mid-engine sports cars, that's a serious value for money. You're getting exotic looks, thrilling performance, and a deep sense of American automotive history, all at a price point that undercuts most of the competition. So who is the 2027 Pontiac Mera really for? It's for the enthusiast who wants something different, something that breaks away from the usual crowd of Porsches, BMWs, and ODS. It's for the driver who values heritage but also wants modern performance and cutting-edge tech. The Mera is bold, nostalgic, and unapologetically fun, exactly what a modern Pontiac should be. That wraps up our full review of the 2027 Pontiac Mera. If you're into unique performance cars with iconic DNA and futuristic flair, this one absolutely deserves a spot on your radar. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And let us know in the comments, would you take the Mera over a Corvette or even a Porsche Cayman? Until next time, keep driving something that excites you.